Remember when my van was leaking and there was a torrential downpour in my van? We're gonna fix it.
Okay, so I'm up here on my bumper right now. This is my solar panel. Oh, one leaf. And this is the cover where the wires go into this box and through a little hole down underneath this. And then these wires come out of the box and there's no water that's supposed to get in there. My son had bought me some Gorilla Tape, and this is how it worked. You saw previously how I had a rainstorm, torrential downpour inside my van. Well, this is why it all lifted up. So now I have to take this off and put some Flexseal. I got this clear Flexseal from Walmart. It was $15. I think this Gorilla Tape was $8.97 at Walmart. And it's supposed to be really good, but it doesn't hold up. And the strange thing, I can't get the right angle, is that you can't, it's not waterproof, and it came right off in the water. See that? But I can't get it off. So I don't know. Stay tuned. I just do not have the strength in my hands and my shoulders to pull this off. I need help. Okay, I got my multi-tool out. It's ripping little pieces off at a time. Okay, well, that's my world. Thank goodness for this. Okay, you can see how that just does not hold up. Look at that. Gorilla Tape, y'all. Now I have to put some Flexseal. I got this clear Flexseal from Walmart. It was $15. I think this Gorilla Tape was $8.97 at Walmart. And it's supposed to be really good, but it doesn't hold up. And the strange thing, I can't get the right angle, is that you can't, it's not waterproof, and it came right off in the water. See that? But I can't get it off. So I don't know. Stay tuned. So it's a real nice day out. That means I'm gonna go over here and spray some of this on again. Now I've done a couple coats already. We're just gonna keep adding layers all around. It works better if you hold it upright. Give it a couple shakes. Put a couple coats on it. I think I did 4 yesterday, and I did 1 right before bed. I heard it was supposed to rain today, so let's see what happens. Okay, it's about 4:08 in the morning, and we are getting some rain. Well, as you can see, everything is nice and dry this morning. There is no rain coming in. There was no rain coming in last night. And let's see if we can look up in here and see where that little hole is. You can see the light to it coming out right there. But it seems to be sealed. Let's see how it goes for the next several days and how long this is gonna hold up. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and if you would be a dear, please do subscribe and hit the bell for all those fun adventures. Stay tuned. Please help me to reach 1K so I can go live from locations.